add a bank account in Shopee Seller. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a bank account in Shopee Seller. First, go to the Play Store or App Store and download the Shopee app on your mobile phone. Open the Shopee app and log into your account by adding credentials. You will see different deals and products on the homepage of Shopee. Go to the Me tab at the bottom bar of the screen. You will see your Shopee profile on the screen. Tap on the wheel icon at the top right corner to open Settings. Tap on the Banks or Cards option in Settings. You have to wait a few seconds to load the page. You will see different card options like Bank, Credit or Debit Card, or Bank Account. Tap the option Add Bank Account to enter your bank details. Enter all the details about your bank account like name, account number, and bank name. After adding the details about the bank, tap on Next. You can now pay through your bank account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.